Welcome to MB's Simple Recipes. So, ayan, magluluto tayo ngayon guys ng butter shrimp with mussel. So, ilagay na natin yung ating butter at tunawin lang natin ito guys. And then, lagay na natin ang garlic pag natunaw na yung ating butter. And then, maglagay tayo dyan ng oyster sauce na pampalasa sa ating butter shrimp. And then, haluin lang natin. At next, ilagay na natin yung ating hipon at haluin lang natin. And then, lagyan natin yung ating mussel. Then, haluin lang natin guys. At next, haluin lang natin ulit. Kasi hindi pa luto yung ating hipon at mussel. Then, ilagay naman natin yung ating corn. So, ayan guys. Haluin lang natin hanggang sa maluto yung ating recipe. At yan, nilagyan na natin ng pampalasa ang Sprite at nilagyan natin ng seasoning. And then, hayaan lang natin itong maluto guys. Thank you for watching.